Hi, I'm Calvin Cobbs, Head of Crisis Management at a public relations company on the West Coast. I found Rajiv Jadhav and Rsquare Media through LinkedIn and YouTube. Now, a lot of my peers in advertising, PR, and entertainment have used Rsquare Media's help for reputation management and reputation repair over and over. Rsquare Media came highly recommended each time for being easy to work with, getting the job done right the first time, and displaying the highest levels of integrity. I'm happy to say they were able to delete my client's bad press from Google and gave me a refund for the links that they couldn't get deleted in the short time that I allocated for the project. I'm very happy and will certainly use them again, because they did what they said they were going to do and gave me a refund as promised and as mentioned on their website and in their proposal.